Okay, hi, my name is Anna. I'm going to be going over basics with angles such as supplementary, congruent, and then also alternate interior angles, just to clarify some of those. So pretend these are all perfectly straight lines. I already drew in two parallel lines with one line going through. So in this setup, we're going to begin with supplementary angles. So this right here, these two right here, are supplementary. That is because they are on this line right here, which is a straight line. And so because it is a straight line, these two angles together have to um, uh, add up to 180. So let's just say that, this is, let's say 75, and then so this would be 105 over here because they have to match up to 180. And that it goes along with any of the angles that are right next to each other divided by a line and that are also on a line. So these right here, these two would be supplementary, these two would be supplementary, and so would these two be. So then next talking about congruency and a diagram like this. So um, congruency goes angles that are opposite of each other on a cross like this. They are opposite of each other. Those will be congruent because um, they are both on. That's the same angle going through, and they share the same line. So anything across that share the same line, they will be congruent. So 1 and 4 will be congruent, and 3 and 2 will be congruent. Same thing for down here. So um, 7 and 6 would be congruent, and 5 and 8 would be congruent. And then next, talking about alternate interior angles. So 5 and 4 are alternate interior angles, and 6 and 3 are alternate interior angles. So these are going to be congruent because they are alternate interior angles, and because these two are perfectly parallel lines and it's the same angle going through. So the law of alternate interior angles is that these must be the same. And so if these are the same and say 5 and 4 are the same and 5 and 8 are the same, that also means that 8 and 1 are the same because these are congruent, and these are congruent. So those are called alternate interior angles or alternate exterior angles, and they are congruent. So um, that is congruency and supplementary angles in a diagram. Thanks.